The Nordex group confirmed a cyber attack last week. The European company, known as one of the largest manufacturers of wind turbines, has a revenue of over $4 billion. The attack was discovered end of last month. As a precaution, they disabled remote access from some of the networks to their wind turbines. While the investigations are still ongoing, the company is trying to restore its process back to normal operations. Now this week, the Conti Ransomware group claimed this attack for themselves, but their underground site does yet not show any data leaks. Researchers have calculated that Conti and Lockbit 2.0 together were responsible for over 58% of all the publicly reported incidents in the first quarter this year. That's data of over 500 companies leaked so far by just those two groups alone. The active protection within Acronis Cyber Protect blocks ransomware before it can have an impact to your business. Should some other systems go down anyway, then the Acronis Disaster Recovery can help you minimize any business interruptions it might have.